the Easy Rider. We're going to ride up Oak Creek Canyon today. I got some neighbors that are coming along. One on a Road King and one on a Spider. So thanks for tuning in. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any, and share with your friends and family to help me grow so I can share my videos with more people. Thank you. Let's go. Okay, I just got to show you this thermometer. Even though we're not there to Oak Creek Canyon yet. 109 degrees. Oh man, that's terrible. Hi, I'm back. This is Oak Creek Canyon on 89A. We just left Sedona. Boy, the traffic was terrible again. I hadn't been through Sedona until last week in years and years and years because of that bad traffic. And I came through last Friday and there was no traffic. But today, oh man, it was awful again. This will be the last time I come this way again for a long time. It looks like there's a lot of traffic going up Oak Creek Canyon too. And it's only Thursday. It's not even the weekend. And it's not even summer yet. I don't get it. But it is a beautiful view up here. All the red rocks, the creek down there. We're going to cross a bridge and the creek's going to be over there on the left. It's kind of looks like it's threatening to rain. I wasn't expecting that, but it did feel awful humid last night because it didn't cool off. Now we're going over the creek, over there to the left, running back down on the right there. So it's on that side, on the back side of that hill there, but we'll see it again. Maybe that was just a feeder creek. The creek is still down there, I think, to the right. Yeah, at least it's cooled down. Now it's about 87 or so. I hope it doesn't rain though. My GoPros are not waterproof because I have the doors off of them. And my electronics aren't waterproof either. My stereo and my satellite receiver. Smells like it's gonna rain. Got my two neighbors behind me. They're kind of slow. I would have been already at least halfway through this canyon. But one of them's on a Spider, and I've noticed that everybody that rides three-wheelers, they ride slower than those of us on two wheels. Look at that nice butte up there. There's a lot of small resorts along this creek, and boy, are they expensive. Ooh-wee. I guess maybe they're bed and breakfasts, I don't know. Because I've noticed every time my wife and I stopped at a bed and breakfast, they cost a whole lot more than a motel did. Rainbow Trout Farm over there. Cool down a bit next week. There's a rainbow trout hatchery at Page Springs. I've been going to take you there for a while. Maybe that'll be a good time to go. It's a little sub-ecosystem there too because of Beaver Creek. It's down in the desert, but it's a lot greener than the rest of the desert is. Emergency sirens during El Nino winters and during the heavy monsoon rains. If you hear them sirens, you better get up out of those creek beds, get on the road and go uphill. Don't take it downhill, go uphill. That means there's a flash flood. And sometimes it can go from like just being a little creek that you just wade across and maybe get your ankles wet, and then in 10 minutes it'd be over your head and it'd be rushing water. And now they got that 35-mile-an-hour temporary sign up. Now it's 25. Now it says be prepared to stop. Looking dog. Well, at least we get to go. We don't have to stop. I wonder what the heck's going on here. Oh, looks like they're fixing that guardrail, replacing the metal, maybe even the wood. creek down there. It's just like ankle deep, but it could get to be a raging river. Now that they call Oak Creek, and it's always got water in it. But like that one we went over the other day, the Santa Maria River, I've been over that one, there hasn't been any water in it at all. Rock cliffs up there. Catch a glimpse of them between the trees. Well, I was figuring it'd take about 35-40 minutes to get to Flagstaff after we got out of Sedona, but it's going to take a lot longer than that. Slide Rock State Park is up here. This is a place that's just gotten too popular. It's no fun to come to anymore because there's so many people that go there. And they close it off and on during the day because they only let so many people in. And until somebody leaves, then they let one more person in. Or one more car. And of course, Arizona has gotten very popular. People have been moving here from other states. It again. This time for sure it's going to be on the left side, not just a feeder. And that's down there is where everybody goes to, those rocks. When it's wet enough, they slide on them, sit down on them and slide on them. That's why it's called Slide Rock State Park. At about 83 now, so we're going up in elevation too. And this is all free parking along here to get down to the creek. If you go in park entrance, you got to pay. But if you park up here and hike down to the creek, you don't have to pay. except for the trees are a little different. There's still some trees that they have up in the Pacific Northwest, but this is what the Pacific Northwest looks like to me. Here, there's a bunch of hemlock up in Washington and Oregon. We don't have hardly any fir trees around Prescott where I live, but there's fir trees up here. And of course there's also deciduous trees too, but they're all leafed out now on May 28th. About 18 years ago, I was coming down this road from Flagstaff, and right around in here someplace, I think it was, traffic was all stopped and backed up, and I thought, oh man, there must be an accident. I don't know if it was an accident or just another kind of medical emergency, but after about half an hour of sitting there waiting and nothing going on, then all of a sudden this helicopter comes in, one of the medevac helicopters. I don't remember if it was Native Air or somebody else, but you could see they were landing on the other side of the bend. Then after maybe 15 or 20 minutes, they took off again, and then they let the cars through.